Durham Town ready. 3 bikes ready to go. XC300, TE300i, and a 350 pretty much ready. Just got to do a few more bits to it. It's organization day in the Gnarly Chicken garage. Cleaning out bins and organizing parts from the last 3 years. Got some new shelving put up as well. Fire on, of course. Be good little hooks here for gear in the summertime and whatever else in the winter for drying out. Slow process, but I got a lot of stuff over the years that I can just find new homes for, throw out. A lot of space that's occupied with things that aren't necessarily needed. So that's the Gnarly Chicken shop today. Had to be done, and I've been putting it off for a while now. Slow going.